Hello guys, welcome back. So again with the new topic. So today our topic is about how can we add an extra options to our product. So let me show you. So you can see here on this product we have extra product options. So we can say add-ons. So you can see we have a flavor add-on. So we have these options here and size variation, etc. And the packaging tab. So how can we add these options into our product? So how can we achieve this? So just go to your dashboard and then go to your plugins, then click on add a new plugin and here search for product add-ons and let me tell you the plugin so that we need to install and activate. So using this plugin we can add these extra options that you can see here. So we will use the plugin. So let me show you the plugin. So here you can see this is the plugin product add-ons for WooCommerce product option with custom fields. So I will install and activate this plugin. So we have different plugins here as well. So you can see extra product options. So you can use this one as well. And there are a lot of plugins for extra options. So you can use any one of those plugins. So here, let me show you. So just go to here, product add-on forms. Here it is. And here it is. So I already created uh, extra options for this product. So how can we create another form for our new product? So let me show you the product. So here it is. So now I want to create an extra option here for diabetic cookies for this product. So let me show you. Here it is. Here is our product. So we don't have now extra options. So how can we add extra options here? So just go to here, product add-ons, then forms. Here it is. And then click on add new form. So here it is. And give it a title. So I will name it diabetic cookies. Here, this is it. And here I will choose select option here. Here it is. And here I will name it here. So let me add flavor option here. I will add a flavor option here. Let me add a flavor option here, and here on the options tab I will go back again and I will add almond. So let me add these options here. There it is. And let me add these quickly. There it is. And so it let me copy paste this. There it is. This is it. And let me add one more field here. Here it is. And I will add the size variation. Let me go back here and click on here and the field label, the size variation here at 250 grams. There it is. And 500 gram. And here I will add 600. This is it. So you can add extra options as well. So for example, you want to add a text area here. So you can add color picker. So you can add this one, any one of these. I will click on save changes here. And now I will just refresh this page. So now you can see it's not appearing. I will go back again. I will go to my products. Let me go to my products here. And here, this option, I will click on edit. Here it is. And here You can see we have the option now product add-ons. Just click on here and select this form. Here it is. And let me change the description of this product as well. We copy it and let me paste it here. And let me go to general and remove this one. And let me update the product now. Now let me refresh this. Here you can see now we have the options here. So you can see you can select any one of these options. That's how we can add the product add-ons. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.